Hello guys. Welcome to our channel, Glamverse. Today we will take a deep look into the incredible life story of Robert Downey Jr. A man who fell, broke, shattered, and then rose higher than anyone ever expected. This is not just a story of an actor. This is a story of a real-life Iron Man. Robert Downey Jr. was born on the 4th of April 1965 in New York City. He was born into a filmmaking family. His father, Robert Downey Sr., was a filmmaker and actor. His mother, Elsie Downey, was also an actress. So acting was already in his blood from the beginning. But his childhood was far from normal. When Robert was just 5 years old, he appeared in his first film, made by his father. Surrounded by adults, actors, and artists, he grew up faster than most children. Unfortunately, at a very young age, he was introduced to a lifestyle that later became his biggest struggle. Robert often mentions that his father had drug addiction issues, and growing up around this environment affected him deeply. He was given drugs at an age when a child should not even know what they are. This became the root of the biggest problem of his life. As a teenager, he moved to California with his father but later dropped out of school to focus on acting. He worked in theater, comedy, and slowly started appearing in films and television. By the late 1980s, Robert's talent was undeniable. He was charming, stylish, confident, and extremely skilled. People started calling him one of the most naturally talented actors of his generation. In 1992, Robert Downey Jr. delivered one of his finest performances in the movie Chaplin. He played Charlie Chaplin and received his first Academy Award nomination. Everyone believed he was going to be one of the biggest stars in Hollywood. But life had other plans. In the mid and late 1990s, Robert Downey Jr. was at the peak of his career, but his dangerous dependency on drugs started destroying everything. He was arrested multiple times for drug possession. He went to jail, went to rehab, came out, and then fell back again. It became a repeated cycle. Studios stopped hiring him. Producers were scared to cast him because he became unpredictable. His talent was still enormous, but his addiction had become stronger than his career. There was a time when Robert lost everything: money, reputation, and relationships. But the lowest point came when he was sentenced to jail. For a Hollywood star, this was unimaginable. Fans had lost hope. Everyone thought this was the end of Robert Downey Jr. But destiny had something different written for him. After years of struggle, Robert slowly started rebuilding himself. He stayed clean, worked hard on recovery, and tried to get small roles again. He knew he had ruined many chances, but this time he wanted to fight for his life. Then came 2008, the year that changed everything. Marvel Studios was looking for someone to play Tony Stark, also known as Iron Man. Many actors were considered, but director Jon Favreau believed only one man could do this role. A man who knew what it felt like to fall. A man who knew what it meant to make a comeback. A man who had both genius and flaws in real life. That man was Robert Downey Jr. Marvel did not want to take the risk, but Jon Favreau fought for him. Robert Downey Jr. auditioned, impressed everyone, and finally got the role of Iron Man. And then history was made. Iron Man released in 2008 and became a massive blockbuster. Fans loved Robert as Tony Stark. His charm, intelligence, humor, and emotional depth made Iron Man one of the most iconic characters of modern cinema. This film not only started the Marvel Cinematic Universe but also gave Robert Downey Jr. a second life. From a man who once had nothing, he became the face of Marvel. He became an inspiration for millions around the world. Robert went on to star in Iron Man 2, Iron Man 3, the Avengers movies, and many more. He became one of the highest paid actors in the world. But more importantly, he stayed clean, healthy, and focused. He rebuilt his relationships and created a peaceful life with his wife Susan Downey, who played a huge role in helping him recover. Today, Robert Downey Jr. is not just a superstar. He is a symbol of comeback. A living proof that no matter how low life takes you, you can rise again with discipline, support, and self-belief. From jail cells to global superstardom, his journey is one of the greatest inspirational stories of all time. And even now, he continues working in powerful films, shows, and producing projects. Robert Downey Jr. is a legend not because he never fell, but because every time he fell, he stood back up stronger. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.